Easy Made Pancake by French Sheep Menu. Here are the ingredients: pancake mix, egg, butter, water, and simple syrup. First, put the pancake mix into a bowl. Crack 1 egg into it. Then add 1/2 cup of water. Mix it until the batter is soft. You can use wire whisk or fork for mixing. Preheat the pan, then add the batter mixture. Flip the pancake and cook the other side. You can use an egg shaper for a mini-sized pancake. Continue cooking all your batter mixture. Continue cooking the remaining batter mixture. Here's the pancake. You can serve it with simple syrup and butter. Thank you for watching!